Good afternoon. My name is Miguel with Donley Ford here in Mount Vernon. I'm sure you've seen me here before presenting many vehicles. But what I got today for you is a 2023 Ford Edge SEL. And I'm going to kind of show you what exactly, the owner's manual looks like in the 2023 Ford Edge. And like I said, we're going to be learning a little bit more about the owner's manual in this vehicle. So first things first, since we don't have a device hooked up and it is a new vehicle, we're not going to necessarily add a device. We're just going to go to the home button, owner's manual right in here on the big screen, categories, and then from there you'll be able to see a little bit of everything. So if you have a question on audio maps and connectivity, you click on that, it'll drop down another display. Now that's where you will go in depth on what you want to learn a little bit more about. So say I want to learn a little bit more about the accessory charge if it's equipped, right? So what is the accessibility charger? And then it'll give you, there we go. Turn your volume up.
You may be interested to know that your vehicle may be equipped with a wireless charging pad that gives you the power to charge.
All right. And that is just a short example of what exactly each one of these will do. So let's just go back here and say we want to look at the videos. Videos meaning it'll show you what it just showed you before, but let's go to seats and this. And again, you can choose which one you want, and then it will go into in depth of what exactly you need to do. Every month, Donley Ford, we do a giveaway. So last month was customer appreciation. This month, we're going to be focusing on, going back to school. So every vehicle that is sold, a portion of it will be going to United Way Knox. And I really appreciate you guys taking your time to watch my video on how the owner manual works in the 2023 Ford Edge SEL. If you have any questions about the vehicle itself, feel free to shoot me a call. My extension is 3012. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. The weather is nice, and let's enjoy it.